Hello viewers, this is Mehdi Hassan and welcome to our channel again. In this video, I will describe about a RFID based door lock security system. This is a SMPS that will get 220 AC volt and provide 12 volt DC to our system. And this buck converter is used here to reduce this 12 volt DC to 5 volt DC, and this 5 volt DC will be connected with our node MCU LCD display and RFID module also. So this node MCU will read RFID value that will show in our LCD display also, and when we will punch our RFID card to our RFID reader, at that moment this value will be sent to our node MCU, and node MCU will send command to our relay, and relay will be connect or disconnect our solenoid lock from our power supply. And this solenoid lock will be operated in 12 volt DC. That's why we used here a 12 volt SMPS. So we used here two types of RFID card, one for access denied and another for access granted. So this white color RFID card will be denied and green color or blue color will be granted. So when this blue color is punched here, at that moment our lock is open the door, and now we will check our operation again by using this white card. It's showing the RFID card number and our door is not open now. So we again punch our blue color card and it will show our card number and our system will be open the door. So this is the full operation of our project. So if you want to make this project, then you can contact with us. Our all details will be included in our description.